Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always doing great. Today's recipe is an eggplant pastry. They turn out lovely and really delicious. Here I have 2 eggplants. I will peel them, one side then the other, peeling in strips so they look striped. I'll go peel them and be right back. I'll cut them like this into small cubes. I'll pour a little oil over them like this, just a small amount, about 1½ tablespoons like so. I will mix them and put them in the oven at 180 C for about 25 minutes until they recooked. If you like, you can raise the oven to 200 C. That is fine. The goal is to cook them well. The important thing is for the eggplant to cook. If you plan to fry them in a pan, and not use the oven to speed the process, then it is better to salt them a bit and add water, letting them sit so they release excess moisture, so they won't be heavy to digest, because eggplant contains a lot of water inside. And if you have an air fryer, use it. It will speed up the process quickly. Now I will put them in the oven. After the eggplant is cooked, I will mash it with a fork like this, and I'll come back to you. I mashed the eggplant like this. Here I have 4 pieces of bread. Any bread you have is fine. No specific type needed. I'll add a little milk to soften it, just enough to moisten it slightly. Now the bread is soft. I'll mash it too with a fork. Then I'll add this bread to the eggplant. For the seasoning, I have here half a spoon of black pepper, half a spoon of red pepper, and a small spoon of Italian seasoning. You can replace it with mixed herbs. You can add thyme, za'atar, sumac, anything you like based on your taste. A bit of mustard seeds if you have them. Use what you have. If you don't have these seasonings, there are always alternatives. I add salt to taste. Everyone adds salt according to their preference. Here I have 2 cloves of garlic, grated or crushed. I also have 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced green olives. And I have 2 eggs. And a little parsley, about 1½ tablespoons. That is it. I'll mix everything together. At the end, after mixing, I'll add 2 full tablespoons of white flour. I take the pan and put a little oil in it, just enough to coat the pan. I'll heat it a bit and start frying the mixture. I'll scoop each spoonful like this. If you want to bake them instead, lightly grease the parchment and brush the tops with oil. They will be better and lighter that way. I'll continue the same way, shaping them well so they hold together, and start frying. I'll turn them like this to the other side. Flip the first ones until they are fully cooked. Now that they are cooked, I'll remove them. You can see how they recooked on both sides. I'll place them on paper to absorb the excess oil. As I said, if you bake them, they are better and lighter. I'll continue until I finish, and we'll meet for the final result. And here is the final result of the pastries. They turn out wonderful. I'll open one for you. They turn out beautiful. I hope today's recipe pleases you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you always receive the newest recipes. See you in the next video.